Dear children, in this video I am going to solve the exercise 8.2. Okay. So in this first question, what we are going to do? We have to find the product of the monomials. So what are monomials? Monomials are the single term algebraic expressions, or in other words ऐसा algebraic expression जिसमें केवल एक term होता है तो उन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं? monomials. Okay. So in this first question what we have to do? We have to find the product. Product means we have to multiply the two monomials. Okay. Now how we have to do this? Just see. Here it is for one term algebraic expression and another is 7p. So we have to multiply 4 with 7p. Okay. So children, we have to just multiply the numerical coefficients. Okay. And if the variables are there, then there we have to use the laws of exponents. Okay. So let's see. Here there is the only one constant is there in the first algebraic expression and the other monomial is 7. Okay. So what we are going to do? We are going to multiply 4 with 7 and here the variable p will be 4 7s are, it is 28p. So the answer is 28p. So it's so easy now to multiply two monomials. Okay. So now come to the next question. The second part of the first question says that we have to multiply minus 4p with 7p. Okay. And these are the like terms because both contains p. Okay. Now both contain p. Children, in this multiplication, okay, we don't have to really consider the like or unlike terms. Okay. We can multiply the unlike terms also. But in addition and subtraction, we have to strictly abide with the like terms. Okay, we can add or subtract only the like terms. ठीक है? चलिए. अब now कैसे हम multiply करेंगे minus 4p को 7p से? So numerical जो coefficient है उनको हम आपस में multiply करेंगे और ये जो आपका variable है इसमें we have to apply the laws of exponents. Okay. So laws of exponents में हमको क्या फॉलो करना है? जब बेस सेम होता है और ऑपरेशन ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन होता है तो पावर्स क्या होते हैं? ऐड अप हो जाता है. तो यहाँ पे पावर्स मेंशन नहीं है, मतलब यहाँ पे इसकी पावर्स क्या है? 1 है. सो इट विल बी 1 plus 1 and this will be minus 28p 1 plus 1 2. So the answer is minus 28p square. The third part of the question says that we have to multiply minus 4p with 7p cube. Okay. So 4p into 7p cube. Now write this numerical coefficient like this and this p into cube. Okay. So this will be the base, we will take this 2p because they are the same. Okay, base is p and the multiplication operation is applied. So the powers will get added and this will be 1 plus 1 cube. So the answer will be minus 28p square cube. Okay. Hello children. Back to the video in a second, but before that I want to inform you all that I am taking online classes also. So if you are really liking my videos and you are okay with the explanation, so you can join the Telegram group of mine. The link is given in the description. Thank you. Children, the fourth part of the question says that we have to multiply the monomial minus 4p cube with minus 3p. Okay. So minus 4p cube into minus 3p. So what we are going to do? We are going to multiply the numerical coefficient here and here. With these variables, we have to apply the laws of exponents. Okay. So minus minus in multiplication, you know the integers, both negative integers, when they are multiplied, if they are both negative, it will be like the sign will be a positive. So it will become 12. These are 12. P. See, the bases are same. Operation of multiplication is applied. So the powers will get added. So it will become 12 P raised to the power 4. Okay. The fifth part of the question says that we have to multiply 4P with 0. So children, anything multiplied with 0 is 0 only. Even if it is an algebraic expression, if it is multiplied with 0, it gives the answer 0 only. So children, if you are fine with the explanation, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.